Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another video on ForgottenWeapons.com. I'm Ian McCollum, and we are back out at the monthly backup gun match, where I have once again chosen to bring a gun that is in no way a backup gun. Today, we have a Roth-Steyr model of 1907, an Austro-Hungarian cavalry pistol. I did a couple of videos not that long ago about some other variations of these, and those made me realize that, you know what? These are really fun to shoot, and I ought to take this back out to the range. So, I have brought it out to today's bug match. I have a couple clips for it. This takes a fantastically cool, extremely high quality 10-round stripper clip. It is an internal magazine, loads with clips from the top. Very slick. And it has a very ahead of its time double action striker system, basically. So, we got 4 stages of bug match, and let's get right into it.
Razors hot, eyes and ears.
I got my reload, because I'm in like humongous 5.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Stand by. Stand by.
She had already had it. So I can go buy a couple more sets. Cause
Empress in that thing.
But one of the funniest ones, well, the first one they did was the deal.
Oh, I still had a round in there.
Those guys, deal, they have a
Time.
totally
Oh.
No. You can't dump them out the bottom either, can you?
No, but I can dump them out the top. Oh no.
No?
All right, check this out. And now it's empty.
Nicely done.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
I am ready.
Stand by.
Dude.
Shit.
Get down there, shoot!
Nice recovery.
This ammo is not working. I opened a new box starting on that last stage, and now it's just none of it's running, which is really sad.
Are you ready?
Ready?
Stand by.
Just gonna stop there.
Just throw the gun at it.
No, it's an expensive gun.
That's what knives are for,
Okay,
Ian!
slide forward.
Well, that was a bit disappointing. So I think the problem is this ammo. Everything I was shooting today was Fiocchi. However, I had like 14 rounds left from the last time I'd been shooting that was in black box Fiocchi. And that was what I used in the first stage, and the gun ran perfectly. And the moment I opened up this box of beige cardboard, this is a different batch of Fiocchi, and immediately the gun stopped working almost on every shot. This ammo is underpowered. It's not fully cycling the bolt back, and so I'm catching empty cases before they can be fully ejected, which is causing, well, the gun to run completely badly. I assure you, it is not the fault of this gun. These are really nice guns. It is the fault, I am quite certain, of that Fiocchi batch of ammo. So, I'm bummed. It's a fun gun to shoot. I will have to get proper good ammo for it again and do this again, because the grip's great. The trigger press is kind of terrible. It's a long trigger, not really heavy, but is a very long trigger, you know, that is cocking the striker as you pull the trigger. Sights are great. It's zeroed fantastically well. So we'll try it again another time. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video anyway. Thanks for watching.